crap. What do we got? Oh yeah. Look at this, guys. I'm gonna get spooked.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Connor, your YouTube fisherman, back here at the Sebastian Inlet for you guys. Incredible winds. I'm talking 20-25 miles an hour winds, gust, crazy. I was gonna go kayak fishing or maybe surf fishing, but there's no way. I don't know what's going on this year, but it's incredible. One day really good, 6 days really bad. So this season kind of sucks, but we gotta make the best of it. This is the only day I could come fish, and crazy wind. So I choose the inlet. Hopefully we'll get lucky. I'm gonna try the bridge for some sheepshead. I know they're there. And of course, when the current moves, we're gonna try snook, redfish, bluefish. It's really windy, guys, but it's early in the morning. I don't see any boats out. Obviously not. It's a crazy advisory out too, wind advisory for boats. But let's see how we do. Hopefully catch some good fish, and definitely keeper shippers. Let's go. Guys, I can't even stand on the North Jetty. Look at this. Even my car about to flip. Oh my god. I have to hold everything. This is 30 miles an hour wind. Easy. Woo! Insane. So we're gonna try the south side. A little bit more calmer on the inlet side. Well, if you call this calm. But here we are. That's the only day I could fish, so oh buddy, 30 miles an hour wind, Sebastian Inlet. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going with the live shrimp from the tail, just like that. Number 5 circle hook, 2 split shots, 50-pound mono, 30-pound braid. We're using our new combo Shakespeare ugly stick. I got a good deal on Amazon. Let's see how it goes. Just toss it around, the live shrimp. Woohoo! The wind takes it. Crazy winds, guys. 30-35 miles an hour. Look at this condition. My god. But hey, we're here. Alright, let's see it. Come on, snook redfish. Fish on! Fish on! Oh, that's a good one. Whatever this is, that's a good one. Bluefish? It hit pretty good, guys. Oh yeah. Blue? Oh no. Oh wow, I got a catfish from the tail. That's crazy. Wow. Guys, I'm trying, but oh my god. 40 miles an hour winds. Look at this. I mean, I got the live shrimp, split shots. Trying my best, but holy crap, guys. What happened to only 19 miles an hour winds? Look at this. Look at these waves. They're like 10 feet. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Sebastian Inlet, baby.
whipping. There's only 6 people here. I never seen it this empty. Incredible. Oh, do we get a sheepy? Oh yes, baby. Keeper shipper. Keeper shipper, baby. Sebastian Inlet, keeper shipper. I love it. Oh, definitely keeper shipper. Oh, nice. We got the fillet crabs. Let's see, measure real quick. Gotta make sure. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Keeper shipper. Ah, yes. This is definitely a keeper. Come on, baby. Oh, that was good. That was a good hit too. It is 0. Yup. 12. Oh, 13. Pinch tail 13, guys. Nice. I love it. Here we go. Right on the side of the mouth. Hungry sheepshead. Here we go, guys. We're on board with 13-inch sheepshead, baby. Keeper shipper, baby. Keeper shipper. There you go. That's it, guys. Put it back here. Slack tide is the perfect time and only time you could really fish. So here we go. Move the water here. Oh man, this is so cool. Move my lunch. And here's the keeper shipper. Cool, buddy. Put my cooler back. There you go. Nice. Let's go. Come on, keeper shipper, baby. Guys, this is the only time you could catch a keeper shipper on a slack tide. Right now it's almost stopped. A little bit movement, so you will stay down there and they will bite. Guys, I don't know if you can see, look at the huge sheepshead. At least 15 inches right there. Look, 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 look. Oh my god, come on. Open your mouth, come on. He's right by the piling. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Eat it, eat it. Dude, that's a big sheepshead. Come on. Oh my god. Right there, right there. I see it right there. Oh my god, guys, look how big that is. Come on, why are you not biting? Come on, I'm putting it right in front of your face. Come on. Oh my god, guys, this is huge. Please, please let me catch it, please. He's just chilling there. Wow, that's a big sheepshead. Oh, what do we got? Holy crap, what is that? That's a spade fish. Well, we don't want spade. But hey, we're catching fish. That's good. Bigger ones you could eat. Let's go back there, man. Let's go. Come on. I want to catch that big keeper shipper. Dude, that thing is humongous, guys. Look. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. I want to catch that. That sheepshead is huge. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we got that keeper shipper, but we couldn't get the other ones. The current started ripping right away. Literally, we only had like 15 minutes, and luckily we got that 13-inch keeper shipper, so cool with that. But man, it was crazy. It got cold in there, windy. Right now it's around 2:30 p.m. The wind kind of slowed down, so, and now it's outgoing tide, as you can see. Out there still ripping like crazy. But I'm gonna go ahead and use my favorite lure, gotcha lure, and try to catch some bluefish. You guys know I love me some blue, so let's see what we can catch. Maybe jack. Let's do some jigging. I'm gonna toss it out there. Again, 50-pound mono. Right there, 30-pound braid. We got our Shakespeare 4000. Here we go. Crazy. Sebastian is non-stop, non-stop, guys, non-stop. The current comes in, goes out. You have that little window of slack, and if you're lucky, you'll catch something. But this morning it was incredible over there. I couldn't even stand. I got wet, like the waves were hitting us from the back. Like I got soaked. Thank God I got my raincoat with me, the rain jacket. If I didn't have that, I would have been like soaking wet. But current whipping, working our gotcha lure, looking for some bluefish, jacks, whatever bites. I'm gonna go back to the jetty again since the waves kind of slow down. I'm gonna try with live shrimp, some snook, redfish. Let's see how it goes. It's so crazy, but gotcha lure, we're gonna catch the bluefish now, guys. It's an outgoing tide. It's always, it's outgoing, you will catch a bluefish. But what a crazy day. Oh my God, guys. Look at this. Look at this madness. Wow. Ocean is angry. But here we go. Toss it out. Go down. Jig, 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 jig. And we will get bluefish. I got shark. Holy crap. What do we got? Oh yeah. Look at this, guys. I'm gonna get spooked. Oh my God. What is that? I think that's what it is. I never seen the Sebastian Inlet jetty this empty before, but I'm done, guys. I'm beat. The wind killed me. I mean, this is ridiculous. So I give up. Only one keeper shipper. Oh my goodness, what a day. 30 miles an hour, 40 miles an hour, winds, gusts, still going on. Look at this. But thanks for tuning in. I'm beat. Thanks for watching. Oh my god. Please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that like button. I'll see you on the next one. See you.